Hi Stampin' friends, it is time for another unboxing video. This is the August 2024 Time for Cake Paper Pumpkin Kit. So that means it's birthday related, right? Time for Cake. And here is the box. Now, some of you might know there was going to be two stamp sets this time. The one stamp set that comes with the kit is this. It's got words. Let's see what it says. Make a wish. Lost count. It's time for cake. There's a candle. This says happy birthday. And what else did I miss? I missed one. Oh, these are just other candles, different size candles. Oh wait, this one, celebrate. And some balloons, and then this little burst of like light that you could put around your candle, like a glowing light. So really fun stamp set. But then they added this one, which is numbers, and this is great because you can use this all the time. It's got every number. The 6 and the 9 are the same because you can put it upside down or right side up, or whichever. I'm not sure which side is upside down or right side up, but they don't give you a 6 and a 9, but you get all the other numbers. And then you get like the little TH or ST for first or second, so that kind of thing, and then a little banner. So you're going to want to use this on all of your birthday cards, or this is really nice for scrapbook pages too if you're scrapbooking a birthday party. The numbers, and they're a really nice size, so I like that they added this. So we got a little bonus this month. And then the color this month is Night of Navy. So that is our kit. And then let's see what's inside. I did see a sneak peek of one of the cards, so I'm super excited about that one. It looked really fun. And it actually inspired me to make some, even though I didn't have this kit yet. The idea that I saw the sneak peek of made me make some other cards in a similar fashion. So I'll show you that in a minute. Okay. So I really like this. It's like a rose metallic, pink metallic thread there. And of course we've got our dimensionals. This is probably a base to a card. Some more background pages, I'm sure. Look at the envelopes. How pretty. Are they all the same? No. So we've got this one. This is probably Moody Mauve. And I bet, oh, here, look at that one. So we've got 3 different envelopes. Very nice. So probably 3 different cards. I forgot to look. Okay, here's a cake. That's really fun. And then this is the candle one, is the one that I saw a sneak peek of, which I'm going to show you that one in a minute. And then here's another background. And these look like slices of cake. Well, let me find the actual finished one. Here's some more adhesive. This says hooray. We've got some tags and banners. This set is really pretty. Look at the accent of that metallic. Is that called rose gold? Metallic pinkish foiling on there. Really fun. There's balloons, some forks, and some candles. Okay, these are for you to keep your stamps. You can't, some people are folding these, and then you would put adhesive on 2 sides and it becomes a little pouch to put your stamps in. If you want to do that, there's just enough room to run some tear and tape or double-sided tape on either side, or a little bead of glue. Or you can cut these out and put these in a sleeve of some kind. That's what I'm hearing people are doing with those. All right, let's see what the actual kit looks like. Okay, so we've got this one with the cake. See, those pattern papers make up the different inside of the cake. I really like that. This one's all about balloons. Super nice. So you're not using the actual number stamps to make up this kit. They're just a little bonus, although inside you could put, you know, happy 1st birthday, 3rd birthday, 50, I won't say how many, 50 what birthday for myself. So anyway, I want to show you this one because I thought this was really fun and it inspired me to make another card. They gave us a little sneak peek of this one, and it folds like this. I think I'm gonna have to look at the instructions, obviously, and then it goes on a card front, which looks like it's this one, and you attach it and then you close it with some of this really pretty metallic twine, and then when they open it, it opens like this. They, you know, this is attached down, so then they open the card and it's just the candles keep coming, And then you can put in here, I've lost count, which is probably, says make a wish, and you can just put happy birthday if you wanted to be sweet, but I think it would be funny to put I've lost count and send that to my sister because she's 11 months older than me. Lost count. That's cute. Okay, so I really like this one. This one is really fun, and I think this little accordion card is darling. So they're going to open it. They're going to just keep seeing these candles coming and coming and coming. And it's a really fun, I like the colors too. Really nice, that navy with that rose gold, and the wild wheat and moody mauve are the colors. I really like that wild wheat. I keep using it. So anyway, really fun. The balloons are fun, and that cake is darling with that fork. Really cute. Hooray, it's time for cake. Adorable kit. If you missed out on this month's kit and wish you got one, I always get several, because I have a few people that like to get them, but they don't want to get it as a surprise. I would say I sell out almost every month, and especially lately, they just keep getting better and better. So if you don't want to rely on having to get one that way, you can subscribe and get it sent to your mailbox every time. And it'll just come right to you. You can get crafting. So that's one option, and I'll put a link in the video description on how to do that. If you've never heard of it, or this is the first time, or you just now thinking about subscribing and you wish you had this kit, you can't get it anymore because you have to subscribe by the 10th of every month, and then that kit comes out. So if you subscribe after the 10th of the month, you're going to get the following month's kit. So if you're watching this, it's already past the 10th of August, so you would be getting the September kit, which is adorable. It's these little woodland look to it. It's kind of got mushrooms and snails and leaves, very fall, and I think they're kind of have a watercolor look to them, and it's really sweet. So that you'd want to subscribe before September 10th. And like I said, the link will be in the description. If you missed this one and you wish you could get it, let me know. I might still have one. You can contact me through comments here, or you can find my email in my bio here, or head over to my blog, Beth's Paper Cuts. Okay, so this, and I always have past kits. If I have any past kits left over, they'll be on my blog, bethspapercuts.com, and you can see if I have any of the kits you might have missed. Okay, let me show you the card that this inspired. It's kind of funny. Here it is. So I saw a little sneak peek on this accordion where the candles just keep coming and coming and coming. And I teach a little class at the Park District, and we do watercolor, and sometimes we mostly do paintings, but in the summer at night, the night class, there's not as many people, and we thought it might be fun to just do watercolor cards one day. And we painted ice creams and cupcakes and balloons, but I did bring this one as a little, at the end of the class, I said if anybody wanted to do this one, they could, because I thought it was so fun. And what happens, it's kind of the same, and my inspiration was this, is these candles. They just keep coming and coming and coming, and so I did that. So we made watercolor candle cards, and it was just really fun. And I did them on both sides, so you can see how I did that there. And it's just fun to use these paper pumpkin kits as inspiration to keep your crafting going, and I really like that. And I think these are really fun. I love how they use designer series paper for the inside slices of a cake. That's really cute, and all the different patterns on the balloon. Really fun. Love it. All right, that's it. That is all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Again, please subscribe to Paper Pumpkin if you never want to miss a kit. If you did miss a kit, you can check my blog to see what I have available. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.